That's a felony? New laws. Stealing is a felony. And this is Orange County. Don't play. What county is this? That's where I went to jail last year and had to on probation for a year for stealing out of Target.
Hey, what's good? Welcome to D. Smith Let's Discuss. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, you just heard these young ladies. Now it's a felony to steal in California. So these young ladies decided to go into a ultra beauty store and just start stealing. Walking out the store with no care in the world. So I want you to listen to this guy explain the new law in California. Check it out.
Proposition 36 on the November ballot would change California law when it comes to punishments for drug use and for theft. Under current law, as long as you only steal $950 or less, that's a misdemeanor. That's a sort of a citation. Even if you do it a dozen times in an afternoon, that's a dozen different citations. Prop 36 would change that. For those who are offended multiple times, you could end up in state prison. Plus, it would start a new category where if you're a drug user, you will have a choice, either go to state prison or go to court-ordered rehabilitation. Now, it's supported by the California District Attorneys Association, California Retailers Association. They say crime is out of hand. We need to do something. We need to get tough. The governor of California, Gavin Newsom, he's opposed. He says it will result in mass incarceration, particularly for black and brown Californians. Prop 36, really the marquee ballot measure for the state, getting tough.
So now, watch this clip as these young ladies just strolling in the store with no care in the world, just stealing, man. Just stealing their asses off.
That's a felony? New laws. Stealing is a felony. And this is Orange County. Don't play. What county is this? That's where I went to jail last year and had to on probation for a year for stealing out of Target.
So yeah, let me know what you think. What do you think about the new law in California? Good, bad, neither. Thank you for attending the session. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm out of here.